Let's start learning grammar. In the previous video, we learned what is an adverb and how adverbs can be divided into various classes according to their meaning. In this video, we will understand what is an adverb phrase, how to identify an adverb phrase in a sentence, and we will also understand the difference between adjective phrase and adverb phrase. Now study the following pairs of sentences carefully. In these two pairs of sentences, you will observe that the word quickly and now, they are modifying the verb ran and coming, and that is why these are adverbs. But when we look at the second sentence, Rama ran with great speed. So, this particular group of word can replace the word quickly. It means in place of quickly, we can also write with great speed and the meaning of the sentence will not change. Similarly, in this sentence, he is coming now. Instead of writing now, we can also write at this very moment. So this particular group of word is playing the role of this adverb because it is modifying the verb coming. So here we can understand that any group of word which can replace an adverb or which plays the role of an adverb in a sentence, that is known as adverbial phrase. So this is our adverb phrase. So what we have understood? An adverb phrase is simply a group of two or more words that function as an adverb in a sentence. Adverb phrase typically answers the questions how, where, why, or when an action was done. We can also understand this in detail by taking these three examples. In all these three examples, you will notice that the adverb there, bravely, and then, they are all answering the questions where, how, and when. But we can also replace these words, these adverbs, with a group of words. As you can see here, she lived there. So instead of saying only there, we can also say she lived at that place. So this is an adverb and this is our adverb phrase. Similarly, she fought bravely. Now, this adverb is modifying the verb fought, and we can easily replace this adverb with this group of word. We can also say this, she fought in a brave manner, or we can say she fought with bravery. If we take one more example, no such diseases were known then. So we can replace this adverb with this group of words because this group of word will play the role of this adverb, and that is why it will be our adverb phrase. I hope you have understood what is an adverb phrase. Now let's understand the difference between adjective phrase and adverb phrase. By comparing the sentences with the same phrase. Now, if you are going to look here, the crowd in the market was very noisy. We have the same phrase in the second sentence. The crowd halted in the market. Now, this particular phrase in the market is modifying the noun, and that is why it is an adjective phrase. But in the second sentence, this phrase is modifying the verb halted, and that is why it is adverb phrase. So I hope now it is clear to you what is an adjective phrase and what is an adverb phrase. In adjective phrase, a group of words modifies a noun, but in adverb phrase, that group of words modifies the verb. Similarly, we can take one more example. They lived on an island. Now, this particular group of word, if we are going to look at it, it is modifying the verb lived, and that is why it is adverb phrase. In the second sentence, a house on an island was washed away. So this particular group of word is modifying a noun house, and that is why it is adjective phrase. So don't get confused between an adjective phrase and adverb phrase. I hope now it is very clear to you how to identify an adverb phrase in a sentence. So whenever you will come across any group of words which modifies a verb and which answers the questions how, when, where and why the action was done, it means you are looking at an adverb phrase. I hope you have understood this topic clearly. So keep learning.